In the digital gold rush of the 21st century, crypto mining has emerged as the new frontier. Welcome to the world of crypto mining in 2024. It's a landscape as dynamic and evolving as the blockchain technology that underpins it. The past few years have seen an explosion of interest, as individuals and businesses alike are drawn to the potential profits that crypto mining can yield. Mining is no longer the domain of a few tech-savvy pioneers. It's now a crucial part of the crypto ecosystem, with miners playing a pivotal role in maintaining the security and integrity of blockchain networks. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, miners are the heartbeat of these networks, validating transactions and creating new blocks. Innovations in hardware and software have made mining more accessible than ever. Yet, it's also become more competitive, with miners constantly seeking to optimize their operations. In 2024, crypto mining is no longer a fringe hobby but a mainstream pursuit, and it's only going to get bigger. Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal, especially when it comes to mining. As we dive into the vast ocean of digital currencies, it's crucial to understand that the profitability of mining varies greatly from one cryptocurrency to another. Factors such as market capitalization, hash rate, and block reward play a significant role in determining a coin's profitability. For instance, while Bitcoin might be the most recognized name in the crypto sphere, its high competition and energy consumption may not make it the most profitable coin to mine for everyone. On the flip side, lesser-known cryptocurrencies like Zcash or Monero might offer better profitability due to lower competition and energy requirements. In 2024, it's not just about following the crowd, but about finding the hidden gems in the crypto landscape. Evaluating the potential of a coin, its technology, and its growth prospects can lead you to uncover promising opportunities. Choosing the right coin to mine is the first step towards profitable mining. Building a mining rig is like constructing your own money-making machine. Now let's talk about the essentials for your mining setup. At the heart of your rig are the GPUs, or graphics processing units. These powerhouses do the heavy lifting, solving complex equations to mine your cryptocurrency. But GPUs aren't the only heroes here. You'll also need ASICs, or application-specific integrated circuits. These specialized devices are designed specifically for mining certain cryptocurrencies, making them more efficient than general-purpose GPUs. Other components you'll need include a sturdy motherboard to hold all your hardware, a robust power supply to keep everything running, and sufficient RAM for smooth operation. But setting up your gear is only half the battle. Optimizing your setup for maximum mining efficiency is crucial. This involves tweaking settings, adjusting power usage, and ensuring proper cooling. Remember, a cooler rig is a happier, more efficient rig. Your mining rig is your ticket to the crypto economy, so make sure it's well equipped. In the world of crypto mining, there's strength in numbers. This is the essence of mining pools, a collective of miners who pool their resources together to mine more effectively. When a block is mined, the rewards are shared among the members, proportional to their contributions. This collaborative approach can significantly increase the chances of earning rewards, especially for those with less powerful hardware. Mining pools can come in different shapes and sizes, from small groups of friends to large-scale operations with thousands of members. The key is to find a pool that aligns with your goals and values. In 2024, some popular and reliable mining pools include Slush Pool for Bitcoin and Nano Pool for Ethereum. These pools are known for their transparency, robust security measures, and fair reward distribution. As always, remember to do your due diligence before joining a pool. Look at their payout structure, fees, and reputation among the mining community. Joining a mining pool can boost your chances of earning rewards, making it an attractive option for many miners. In crypto mining, security is not an option, it's a necessity. As you delve into the world of cryptocurrency mining, remember that the coins you mine are only as secure as the wallet you store them in. It's important to choose a wallet that offers robust security features as well as the ability to easily access and manage your digital assets. Hardware wallets, often referred to as cold storage, are considered the gold standard for crypto storage. These offline devices offer a high level of security against online threats. Software wallets, on the other hand, are more accessible and user-friendly, but they can be vulnerable to malware and hacking attempts. In addition to securing your wallet, it's also crucial to protect your mining operations. Regularly update your software, use strong, unique passwords, and consider using a dedicated, secure network for your mining activities. Remember, a well-secured mining operation is less likely to fall victim to threats. Securing your digital assets is crucial to safeguarding your mining profits. Crypto mining can be power-hungry, but it doesn't have to drain your resources. It's true, one of the most common challenges in the world of crypto mining is dealing with energy consumption and heat management. However, there are strategies and tools to tackle these obstacles head-on. Firstly, energy efficiency. It's all about making the most of every watt of power. Consider investing in energy-efficient hardware like ASICs, which are designed specifically for mining tasks. They can perform the same operations with less power than traditional CPUs or GPUs. Now let's talk about cooling. As your mining rig works, it generates heat. Too much heat can damage your hardware and reduce its lifespan. To counter this, good ventilation is a must. Consider using cooling systems like fans or liquid coolers to maintain optimal temperatures. You could also think about setting up your rig in a cool environment, a basement for instance. By optimizing energy efficiency and cooling, you can mine more profitably and sustainably. So don't let these challenges put you off. With the right approach, you can turn them into opportunities. Mining software is the brain of your mining operation. It's the key tool that connects you to the blockchain and manages your tasks. The right software can streamline your workload and maximize your potential profits. There's a wide array of software options out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. For beginners, Easy Miner is a great choice. It's user-friendly, compatible with many hardware types, and supports a variety of cryptocurrencies. For those with a bit more experience, CG Miner offers a higher degree of customization and control. It's been around for a while and its robust set of features makes it a favorite among seasoned miners. Setting up your mining software involves a few steps. You'll need to download the software, configure it to your hardware, and select the cryptocurrency you're mining. It might sound intimidating, but with a bit of patience, you'll have your software up and running in no time. Choosing the right mining software can make all the difference in your mining efforts. In crypto mining, calculations are key. The lure of crypto mining can often be intoxicating, with visions of vast digital wealth just around the corner. But it's crucial to temper these dreams with a solid understanding of the reality. Profitability calculators are invaluable tools to help manage your expectations. These nifty digital companions crunch numbers on your behalf, considering factors such as your hardware's computing power, the cost of electricity in your area, and the current value of the cryptocurrency you're mining. But remember, the crypto landscape is ever-changing. The value of a coin can fluctuate wildly, impacting your projected profits. And don't forget about those pesky hidden costs. Things like cooling systems and maintenance can eat into your mining profits. So don't get swept up in the hype. Use these calculators to get a clear picture of your potential earnings. Be realistic, be strategic. With a realistic understanding of potential profits, you can make informed decisions about your mining strategy. Crypto mining is evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial. As we gaze into the crystal ball of the future, we see a host of exciting developments on the horizon. Innovations in hardware and software are set to make mining more efficient and accessible. For instance, the advent of next-gen application-specific integrated circuits, or ASICs, is likely to revolutionize the mining process, leading to increased profitability. Furthermore, we anticipate significant changes in blockchain technology and consensus algorithms. Emerging consensus protocols like proof of stake and delegated proof of stake could potentially replace the traditional proof of work, making the mining process more energy efficient and democratic. It's also worth noting the growing trend towards green crypto mining. As environmental concerns continue to influence tech developments, we can expect to see an increase in renewable energy-powered mining rigs. By keeping an eye on future trends, you can position yourself for success in the ever-changing world of crypto mining. Crypto mining can be a complex world, but with the right knowledge, it's a world full of opportunities. We've journeyed through the state of crypto mining in 2024, exploring the most promising coins and how to set up an efficient mining rig. We've delved into the collaborative power of mining pools and the importance of secure wallets. We've tackled the challenges of energy efficiency and cooling, navigated the variety of mining software, and set realistic expectations with profitability calculators. Finally, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to The Hustle Pursuit, and check out our online store for free digital guides. And if there's a topic you want us to cover in our next video, let us know in the comments. See you in the next one.